It's from my county! It's from Rutherford County!
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wright County, southwestern Hennepin County, northeastern McLeod County, northern Carver County until 11 p.m. At 10:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winstead, 17 miles southwest of Buffalo, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Quarter-sized hail was reported in Silver Lake at 10:25 p.m. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Watertown.
Let's see if anything's going on AM FM radio. Turn this down so I don't get a copyright strike from you.
Manhasset, Mount, Orono, Victoria, and Minnetrista around 10:50 p.m. Wyzetta and Excelsior around 10:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Loretto, Hollywood, Greenwood, Shorewood, Lake Waconia, Long Lake,